Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the most requested paper of October 2021, secondary 1, paper 1. Okay, so this is the latest paper that was done at the last series. So let's start. You all know the instructions, they are here. You can have screenshot and go through that. So without any delay, let's start. Question number 1. Write 64 over 124 in its simplest form. So to write the fraction into simplest form, we have to find a number that divides both numerator and denominator, right? So for that, so you can see both numbers are even numbers, so we can divide it by 2. When you divide it by 2, so this 64 divided by 2 is 32. Then this is 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times 2 is 4, right? So again they are multiple of 2. So again we can divide by 2. So when you divide this by 2, we are getting here 16 over 31. So this is the final answer because we need to write down into the simplest form. Now you can see this is even number and this is odd number, and 31 is not divisible by any number. So that's the final answer, 16 over 31, right? Now question number 2, you can see we have a diagram here. Write in boxes the correct name for each part of the circle. So now we are given here the circle, and we have this arrow points towards the part of the circle, and we have to write down the name here. Now this arrow, this, what is this? This is circumference. So simply we have here circumference. F-E-R-E-N-C-E, circumference, right? And this, what is this? This is a line from center to the circumference, so this is radius. So it is radius. This is very easy. Now this one is passing through the center and it touches both sides, two parts of the circumference. So this is a diameter. So it's very easy. Now let's move to next question. Number 3. All the rows, columns and diagonals add up to 15 in this grid. So we are given this one. Complete this grid so that all the rows and columns of the diagonal add up to 15. So we are already given here, you can see 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 10 plus 5 15. So if you go this way, 10 plus 3 13 plus 2 it's 15. So all around the sum is 15. Now we have to complete this so that we get again the sum 15, also the diagonal, right? So now see this side, we will start from this side. We have two numbers here, so we have negative 3 plus 12. Now negative 3 plus 12, so this is negative, this is positive. We are going to subtract this number, like 12 minus 3 it's 9. Okay, so 9 will be positive because 12 is greater than that. So now we need a number here, whatever you plus here, so your answer should be 15. So 9 plus what gives you 15? It's 6. So that means we will have number 6 here, right? So now as we have here negative number, so we have to go accordingly. Now if we go this way, now 6 plus 13, 6 plus 13, this is 19, right? But we need answer as 15, so that means we have to subtract something that gives you answer 15. So what number will come here? 9 minus 4. So that means we have to put negative 4 here, right? So now this way, if we go this way, let's do this one first. 12 plus 5 it is 17, right? 17, but we need 15, so 17 minus 2, so we will have 2 here, right? Now going this way, we have 5 minus 4 it is 1, but we need answer as 15. To make this 15, so we have to have plus 14 here. So 14 will come here. Now going this way, 13 minus 2. 13 minus 2, it is 11. So but we need again 15. So 11 plus 4 will make it 15. So 4 should come here. Now you see, this is a bit tricky, but if you go step by step, you can easily do that. I hope you understood that. So let's move to next one. Number 4. Solve this equation. We have 17 minus 3x equals to 12. So let's shift 3x to other side. It will be 17 equals to 2 plus 3x, right? So now we can move 2 on other side. This is positive, it will become negative. So 17 minus 2 equals to 3x. Now 17 minus 2 is 15, 3x. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So 3 times 5. This is gone. So 5 equals to x. So that means x is 5. So final answer is 5. So in these type of questions, you should always go step by step to do the calculation. You have enough space there to do the calculation. So don't try to skip any question. Otherwise you can make some mistake here. So let's move to next question. Before we move to next question, I would like you guys to request you guys to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. So you will get latest papers in future. So, and also share it with your friends if you liked it, and please press the like button. I need your support, guys, if you want to get new papers. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you to those guys, those who have already done this. So let's start number 5. The diagram shows the first 3 patterns of a sequence made from rods. So we have 3 patterns here made from rods, right? And draw pattern 4 in the sequence. So we have space here to draw pattern 4. Now let's try to observe the pattern. We have 3 rods here, right? I mean 1 triangle, then we have here 2 triangles, and then we are covering up with the bar here to make 3 triangles. So 1 triangle, 3 triangle, 1 2 3 4 5. So here we should have 7 triangles. So as a base you should have 1 triangle. In the pattern 2 we have 2. In the pattern 3 we have 3 triangles, and in the pattern 4 we will have 4 triangles like this. 1 2 3 4, right? So then we cover up this. So this is pattern 4, right? Now so number part B, when the pattern number is increased by 1, the number of rods is increased by, let's see, so this is pattern 1, number of rods is 3, right? Pattern 2, number of rods 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So here you see the pattern 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4. So you are getting another number of rods by adding 4. So the number of rods increases by 4, right? Now part C, work out how many rods will be used for pattern 7. So for the pattern 7, so we can see you have a sequence here. It becomes like 3 7 11, and then plus 4, it will be 11 plus 4 15 plus 4 19 plus 4 23 27 31. Let's see, we are talking about pattern 7. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So this is our answer, right? So our final answer is 27, right? Now let's move to next one. Number 6. The bar chart shows how students in class 7 travel to school. We have frequency here, we have mode of transport, car, bus, train, walk and bicycle. Tick to show if these statements are true or false. One has been done for you. The first one is there are 40 students in class 7. So let's see, this is no, we need not to do because it's already given. Now second, 50% of the students travel by car or bus. Car or bus. So 50%, he said, like let's say car or bus. By car, how many are they? 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is 7, I'm sorry, 7, 8, this is 8, and bus is 12, 13, 14, this is 14. So 50%, let's say, so total car or bus, by car or bus is 14 plus 8, which is 22. But he said the total number of students, there are 40, so but it's not 50%, it's more than that. So this statement is false, right? Now quarter of the student walk to school. Quarter means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of total students is 40, so it should be 10, right? So now let's see, is it 10 those who walk to school? So let's see, walk to school is, it is 9, so no, this is also not correct, so this is false, right? Now number 7, write 0.285 as a fraction in its simplest form. First we will convert it into fraction. So 0.285, when you convert into fraction, it will be 285 over. This decimal becomes 1 and we have 3 digits there, so we are going to put 3 zeros. So after converting this into fraction, we need to write this into the simplest form. So now again we have to divide by a common number. So we can divide it by 5. This also divided by 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So here is 3, 7, 57 over 5 times 2, 10, 200, right? So 57 over 200. So 7 plus 5, so it's not divisible by 3, not by 2, yeah. So this is final answer, 57 over 200. Okay, so now let's move to next one. Question number 8. Write these measurements in order of the size from smallest to largest. From smallest to largest, right? Remember that we need to put smallest to largest. So this is smallest, largest. Now if you observe these numbers, so they all have different units, right? First of all, we have to make them as a same unit. So I think it's easy to convert them into meters, right? So this is already in meter, so this we will divide it by 100 to make meter. It will become 5.04 meters. Okay, now for kilometer to meters, multiply by 1000, so it will become 504, then 3 zeros, 2 decimal places, it became 5040 meters, right? So now this is millimeter. Millimeter to meter, first we are going to convert millimeter to centimeter. Millimeter to centimeter, 1 centimeter is 10, so it's 5440 centimeter. Now from centimeter to meter, again divide by 100, so it will become 0.54, nope, sorry, it should be 0. There are 2 zeros, so it will be 5.40 meters, right? So we have converted it. Now we can see which one is the smallest here. The smallest one is here. This is 5.04, this is 5.40, so this is smallest, 504 centimeters. So 504 centimeter will come here. After that we have this is 504, this is 540, so this will come on the second number, and third one is this here, and this is fourth. So second is, remember we need to write down in the original form. We are not writing our own calculations, we have to write answer in the original form. Number 2, number 3 is 540 meters. Number 4 is 5.04 kilometers. So that's the answer of this question. Now number 9. Pere rolls a dice with 4 sides numbered 1 to 4. He throws a coin with 2 outcomes, head and tail. List all the possible outcomes, and one has been done for you. You may not need to use all the rows. So we have many rows, maybe we are not using all of them. So for dice, you know that we will have the outcomes 1, 2, 3 and 4. And for the coin, when you toss a coin, you will have only 2 outcomes, head and tail, right? So I can write down here dice is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Coin is H and T. So now let's see the combinations. So it will go like this. First we are going to combine 1. You see it's going this way. 1 H and 1 T, right? So it will be 1 H, then 1 T. Then we'll combine with 2. 2 H and 2 T, right? Then 3 H and 3 T. Then 4 H and 4 T. H and 4 T. So that's it. This is so easy. It seems hard, but it's not that. If you get the right combinations, you can easily get the answer, right? Now number 10. You can see we have parallel lines here. These arrows shows that this line and this is parallel. So we have shown the angles here. The question is, choose one of these words to complete each sentence about the angles in the diagram, right? We have given different angles: reflex, corresponding, alternate, positive, opposite and right. So angle B and F are dash angles. B and F. Let's see, where is B? B is here, right? B and F. So if you see, both angles are above the line, right? Above the line, and they form F shape. If you see here, it's like this. So it's like this. So this and this angle. So we have both lines on them. So what are these angles called? These are corresponding angles. So this will go here, corresponding. Okay, now angle D and E. Now it's talking about angle D and E. D is here. You see, this is D and E. Now they have on opposite sides. So what shape they are making? Z shape. If you see, like this. Okay, so this and this. I think you can see that now. So they are called alternate angles. So we are going to write down here alternate. Okay, so it's easy. Always look for F shape. F shape makes corresponding angle, and Z shape makes alternate angle. Number 11. Draw a ring around all the shapes that are congruent to triangle A. Now, what is congruent? You need to know that. Congruent triangles, congruent shapes are the shapes that have same shape and size. Same shape and size. Now, we are looking for a shape that is congruent, that is same as A. So if you see, this first shape is bigger, right, and this third one is smaller. So here you have 3 squares this way and 2 this way, 3 and this. So this is congruent to A, and also this is 3 and shape is same, it's just rotated. So this and this is the correct answer. So this question is for 1 mark. Now let's move to next one. Numbers 12. Sorry, we can see marks from the back page here. Number 12. Work out 65 divided by 9. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So we have to divide this 65 by 9. So 9, you should know the table of 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Minus 5 minus 3 it is 2. So there is no digit. We are going to put a decimal here. So we can put 0 here. So then 0 can be dropped down. 7 times 2, 14. Now we have 6 here. Oh, sorry. 9 times 2, it's 18. We have 2 again. Again we can put 0. So you see again 9 times 2, 18. So you see this, because we are getting every time 2. So this process will continue. He said give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So 7.222. This is our answer. But we have to write down 2 decimal places. As this is less than 5, so it will remain as it is. So 7.2 is the final answer. Right? Now, number 13. Write a value in the box to make the statement correct. So we have 28 times 10, it is 280. So this one is 28 divided by something. Divided by something, that gives you 100. So if I divide, that means we need a number 28 times 10. So if I divide 28, if I make this as divide, so this will become 1 over 10. So that will make this as 280. So this will be 1 over 10, or we can write down 0.1. Question 14. Work out 200.46 times 1.3. So first I will multiply it without the decimals, right? So without decimals we have 6 times 3, it is 18. 1 goes up here. 4 times 3, 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 is here. 3 times 2, 6. Plus 1, 7. Now second row, 1 times 6, 1 times 4, 1 times 2. 8, 9, 7 plus 4, 11. 1 goes up here. 3. So we have this. So our answer is 3198, right? But we have how many decimal places? 1 here, 1, 2. So total is 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So we will count from here. So final answer is 3.198. Got it? Now part B. Write your answer in part A to correct to 2 significant figures. So we had here 3.198. This answer we want to write down 2 significant figure. 2 significant figure is here. Now you see this one is 9. 9 is more than 5. So we are rounding up. So we have to add 1 here. So it will become 3.2. So 2 significant figures, it will become 3.2. That's what goes here in the answer column. Right? Now next, number 15. Here is a right angled triangle. You can see this right angled triangle. Sketch 2 of these right angled triangles joined together to make a parallelogram. You must mark the right angles in both triangles, right? So we are given this triangle here. So as you can see, we are not given any scale. So that's why we are not going to use any measurement. So I'm just going to take it roughly from here. So this is a triangle. Let's say this is 5 and this one is 2.5. So we need to make a parallelogram. So it's easy. So I can place one triangle like this. and right angle will come here. So this is right angle. So if you join this one here like this. Now if we take the reverse of this, like if you take this as 5, I mean triangle small side here, and the other one is here. So now this is a right angle. So if you see, this is a parallelogram. This is a rectangle also, or you can say parallelogram also, if the angle right angles are like this. Okay, now part B. Yes, part B. Sketch 2 of these right angle triangles to join together to make a kite, right? So now if we can place these triangles, so I can draw the same triangle like this here. So it was 5, and should be a right angle here. Let me use pencil. It should look like a right angle. So this will be the right angle here. Again, this will be 2.5 and like this. You see? So this is a shape kite. So both shapes we have made by placing the triangles in different order. So this become parallelogram. So you may have another answer of this also. You can do it in another way also, but I gave you this the easiest one, right? So that's it for this video. So we have covered 15 questions in this. Remaining question I will do in the next video. I hope you understood all the questions, and please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also share it with your friends. And if you like the video, please press the like button. And thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting. God bless you guys.